Greetings fellow nerds, Motor City Games here with another Sorcery Contested Realm Arthurian Legends box opening for you. I told myself I would never get another box, but I lied to myself. I've seen some other box openings lately and it made me jealous, and so yeah, and I couldn't pass up the price because the prices are a lot more reasonable than when this first came out. So Arthurian Legends, and I'll show this off again. Just such a beautiful box here. Yeah, just look at that, all textured and everything. So let's just get right to ripping. Oh man, this opens so easily. We got Snowball, Morgan's Fire Breathing Hand, Unseelie Cork. Oh, and the foil already. Keening Banshee foil. Okay. I'll try to talk as little as possible. Cards! Thankless Squire, nope. Reckless Squire, nope. Okay. Plus I'm getting antsy for the release of the Wild Hunt of Dragon Lord, but who isn't really? So this will help buy time until Dragon Lord comes out, and then of course Gothic. You know, Brother Knight. Guess I should have pulled that foil out. And Led Astray, ordinary foil. Put it right there. Thankless Squire, nope. Reckless Squire, nope. Let's go back here. There we go. 2 ordinary foils. I have not had much luck with anything besides ordinary foils in Arthurian Legends. No, Fairy Queen. There's a good unique. Nope. Still have never gotten a curio. Out of all the squires, I think the curio I'd want is the one with the drops. Soul Splendor. Ooh, foil Wizard's Den. Elite foil. Beautiful. Beautiful artwork. And there is the artwork there in Toto. Yeah, Shameless Square, that's the one with the drops. That's the one that I'd love to have. If I had to pick from Arthurian Legends, I would say the Green Knight, but Town, beautiful artwork by Elvira, my favorite artist. Evie, I think is what she goes by. Oh, Monstrous Lion. Okay, let's keep going. 1 unique so far. 3 foils. There's Snowball. There's Cursed Land, another elite. Wall of Brambles, which I use in my deck. Oh, wait, Weightless Squire, nope. Oh, another Varmint Warrens. Ooh, a foil Poison Well, already have that one. And yes, this Grain Sparrow, my favorite art from Arthurian Legends, by Heidi. Castles Ablaze. These packs open real easy. so we gotta have the chased. Shameless Squire, Thankless Squire. Squire. Definitely getting all the squires. And this is more beautiful, beautiful. I love just the fun of that. No, Trollbridge. Sormorian. Waitlist, nope. About halfway through. Again, beautiful. I love this art. Sam McKinnon. And Capital. I guess I'll put it here. There we go. Face City. Beautiful artwork. Just all this game is a great famine. There's a decent unique there. Let's keep going. There should be some more foils coming up. Shapeshift. Nope. Well, so far this box is a bust. Ninth Legion, there's a unique. Oh, my third foil snowball. This is what I get for buying a box when I said I was done. Shameless Squire, Thankless Squire. And then they just kind of repeat themselves. You see the same cards in the same order. Never understand how that happens, but I guess because the big sheets they're cut from. Oh, Golden Harp, Reckless Squire. Uh-oh, this is not looking good at all. Mago. We got 2 or 3 of him now. Yeah, how many? 1, 2, 3. Well, I got 5 foils. Another foil Monstrous Lion. Ugh, 2 packs left, and we can finally put this box out of its misery. Wedding Hall, one of the best paintings in the whole game. Vincent's art is just so amazing. And last, definitely least, Upside Down, or maybe not, that was interesting. And a Meester Storeworm. Rescue, Shellycoat, Thankless Squire, Reckless Squire. Well, that box, I mean, I guess this is okay. I mean, elite. So how many real uniques did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. And foils, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's the least. Normally I get 7 foils, I want to say. Elite, exceptional, exceptional, elite, ordinary, ordinary. No unique foil. Well, that's a bummer. Weird upside down card. But, yeah, oh, just in case anybody hasn't seen the toppers, I'll show you what comes in it. I've already got a bunch of these, but... So you get avatars, so you can play if you don't pull any. I pulled 1. So a Templar, a Druid, and it says Avatar on the back. The Druid, he can summon the Bruin. Then you flip this card. So now, see, he does extra stuff with his buddy here from Boston. And then he also can get this eagle out. And here's a rubble token for when a site's destroyed. how the lance tokens are used, how stealth is used, and the most important card of all, the wonderful people who make this game come to life. And then one of the coolest things about Sorcery is the tokens. They're actually tiny little cards, and they're double-sided. So there you go. Thanks for watching yet another busted box. Have a great day.
Boom, 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 boom.